Hey guys, Bob the CPA here, your resident resume writer, trainer extraordinaire from CPATalent.com. Today we're going to talk about another very quick question I get a lot from clients about what format should my resume be? And usually they mean, should I send it in a Microsoft Word format or a Google Doc, or should I make it a PDF? What do I need to do here to make sure I'm not screwing up my chances of getting the next job? And in general, you're going to want to write your resume in Microsoft Word. It's just what every business uses these days. If you use Google Docs, you are kind of putting yourself at a disadvantage because it's a new system and a lot of hiring managers don't know how to use it. So if you use Google Docs, you're going to want to then convert it to a PDF before you send. But the industry standard is generally send it as a Microsoft Word document. And the best practice, as we talked about in another video, is use one of the standard MS Word fonts so that everybody will be able to see your resume the same as they would on your computer, on their computer. Another reason to use a Word doc is that a lot of times you'll be uploading your resume to a resume tracking system, which automatically filters your resume for common words that they're looking for and a whole lot of other. It's kind of a black box. You don't know what's going on in there. But if you're uploading a PDF, it's harder for those systems to read it. So keep it in Word. Also, if you're working with recruiters, a lot of times what they'll do is put their firm name and address and telephone number at the top of your resume instead of your contact information. That's kind of an industry standard thing. It's so that you don't do an end around the recruiter and try to go directly to the company and then the recruiter doesn't get their commission. So that's just one more thing to think about. So in general, I would say your best option is to use a Word doc. Your second best option is to use a PDF. And last resort would be a Google Doc. I don't recommend that.